That snow blowing out front was the best thing I ever bought your father. It's still snowing here, and I think it's gonna snow through the night. A lot of places without power, we still have power here. A lot of trees down too. This is all the snow so far. I shoveled the sidewalk where Dad made the path first, and then I just enlarged it. I gotta make supper for us. But I just wanted to show you guys the snow here.